All right, what's going on, everybody? It's Alex from Motored Life. So we have one of these felt fakers here, this awesome blue with the gold combination, and I'm going to show you a tip on the tensioners here. Something you can do. So these tensioners, you can see when they come, the frame down here is a little bit thicker than usual. So when you go to tighten everything up, the bolts that actually come with the kit, they are pretty short. As you can see, they're actually very short, so they don't stick out very much. And actually, you can't really get the nuts or anything on there properly without the washers and everything. I can give you a look there. They are very short. So a tip that you can use that I actually do on a lot of these. If you have this donut here, this donut kit with the sprocket and adapter and everything, these longer bolts are the same size bolts, same diameter bolts, but just way longer. So if you use these, it'll stick out all the way through that bracket so you can get everything tightened up. So let me get some of these on there to kind of show you how much easier it is using these longer bolts. See, this one's way longer, so it's going to fit all the way through. That way we can fit the nut and all the lock washers and everything we need perfectly without having to scratch the frame a whole bunch, without having to bend those brackets. So you can see those stick out way farther and give you plenty of room to get the nut and washer and everything on the back there. So perfect. You can use the stuff that comes in your kit to get that all tightened up and properly on there. So awesome. All right, perfect. Got everything all straightened up, tightened up. This thing is nice and tight. This guy is on there, and you can see those bolts fit all the way through and stuck out the back with plenty enough room that I got everything tight with all the washers and lock washers on there. So yeah, so if you guys run into that issue where your bolts aren't long enough, you can look in the kit for these extra bolts that come in this donut adapter kit and use those. And they actually have some pretty nice locking nuts on the back as well, as you can see. So there is an easy tip and trick for you. So hit that thumbs up and I'll give you guys some more tips as I get to them here. Deuces.